Moves back. Edu comes in and it's gone again. Coming. But a non-playing member. Go back for two. Full delivery. That's the loosener. One bounce and gone for a shot in the slot. Another loosener of. That's a length. That's a better length. There's a chance. What an opportunity. Loosener again. Inna pidichopanda adinulla minimum punishment. Oh. Chance straight away. Puts it down. Shot. It's been slapped. That is Junaid. That's it. In the air, Junaid. It's been taken well. Samir Shah, the dangerous customer, departs and Shahid strikes and BH. Edu comes in. There's a chance again and it's gone again. BHT pulls it back from Team Sinans. Extra cover vadi varachu vidanulla oru shramam avare late that's a tap cheyidu is there a chance? Oh my gee, if we miss, they're back for two. Missing the backup there. Now it's a soft one, just a faint tickle and gone. Shaukat now gets a wicket here. Ella extras in a wicket. Fourth one, just tapped into the gap. Is there any chance for cutting it off? Yes, that's a great pair of shoes from the field. Just over the man there. That's a boundary. Angane. In the air, chance for something. Anayasam 2 runs. Another one. No fielder there in the landing area. And this is all getting paid. That's a dead ball. The toss, this time a pull shot, not connected well, just a single one. Oh, that's close. No, says the umpire. No. Will be in the air. Easy, easy, lemon squeezy. That's gone. It's Manikuttan on his way back. 48 for the loss of 4 wickets. Coming down the track, gets a towering hit down the ground. Way over the widest long on for a maximum. That's gone out of the park for 2 more runs. That is a much better. Stepping out again, that's hanging in the air. Yes, it's Shamdad who have made no mistake at all. Wicket now for Ashkar and goes back is Afzal. Big wicket in the contest of the game. In the air again, but that will travel. The travel smiles through that extra cover. In the air, is there a chance? കൃത്യമായി 2 പേർക്കിടയിലൂടെ പന്ത് ലാൻഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നു. 2 runs more. End of 5 over. His gut feel goes right on the way. Is there a chance? Oh, it's been put down, I think. Saved the sixer. That's a good approach from the man there. Oh, goes underground. Throw bullseye from Junaid. And the batter Vishnu will walk off. In the air, chance. Ashkar has taken it. Finally, the innings comes to an end with a wicket for Junaid, the skipper of the side. End of the innings with 73 on the board. പല ടീമുകളും 8 ടീമുകൾക്കാണ്. There's a chance of catch. No, 3 fielders are behind the ball. At least a single, at most 2. Just 2 runs. Full toss. Oh. No. What wicket is this? Team Sinans have got a big fish in the trap here early on. Attempting full toss. Oh. Shamnad just
Singla.
under edge of the plate. It's time from Shamnad. The best tournament, I would say. That's a slash. That's a cracker to that cow point. Shamnad is for again into the gap again. He picks the gap with such an emphatic ease. Races away to the boundary for 4 more runs. No look കളിക്കാൻ ശ്രമിച്ചപ്പോൾ you haven't seen to the onside. ആദ്യം ഒന്ന് സ്ലോ, പിന്നീട് ഒരു ഫ്ലോ, അത് കഴിഞ്ഞൊരു ഷോ. അതായിരുന്നു ഇന്നലെ നമ്മൾ shot on the ground. That is field justice. Shot down the ground. Shit through this time. This time no communication between bat and ball. It's on to him. Stick outside it. Oh, Shigo moves back. What a wicket this is. Big fish in the trap here. The dead ball works. 4 more to go. And there's a misfield. They are trying to capitalize it. Just as from the Zandam floors, the border of Yemen, the border of Saudi. Nice. Oh, that's in the air. Kambaranganake karangi. Avasanam adu kudingi. And the wicket down. BHT. If you are BHT in the air, there is Vishnu underneath and gone. 3 wickets in this over. The player of the match award if the wins is. Oh, that's high in the sky. That's for the crowd, not for the field. Hard in handsome from Shamnad. Shamnad hits it high in the air. No chance for anyone. It's a biggie again. He's finding runs in dozens. Shamnad. Shot. That's blown away. That's into the cloud. That's a 6. This is daylight robbery from Shamnad. Oh, the snake and Shamnad goes back. It's a revenge on the spot here from Arshi. Twist again in this drama to unfold. Santosh and Rahul, new man Santosh. At least a single to keep the striker watch. Yes, that's the least thing there. Good and Chopra വേണ്ടി step out ചെയ്തിറങ്ങാനുള്ള ഒരു ശ്രമത്തിലായി. മാത്രം കൈകളിൽ അന്തരീക്ഷണം. End of wicket number 6. നിരാശയോടെ സന്തോഷിന് മടങ്ങാം. വിട്ടുപോകുന്ന സന്ദർഭത്തിൽ skipper comes in, plays it early in the air and gone. വലിയൊരു ഉത്തരവാദിത്വത്തിൽ നിന്ന് ആദ്യ പന്തിൽ തന്നെ വിട്ടുവാങ്ങുന്നു ക്യാപ്റ്റൻ. Is detaching from the responsibility in the Hotly wrapped and straight to the field, just a single. Nalaru grounded shot into the covers, long chase for the fielder. Somehow saved it, 2 runs at least. That is Kutan. ഒരു പടുകൂറ്റൻ സിക്സർ. ഒഴുക്കിനെതിരെ നീന്താനുള്ള തയ്യാറെടുപ്പിൽ രാഹുൽ നായർ. അങ്ങനെ മത്സരത്തിന്റെ അവസാന ഓവറിലേക്ക് നമ്മൾ എത്തുമ്പോൾ 15 to win. 15 റൺസ് വിജയിക്കാൻ. That's wide. Oh, that's a great chance. Now the team gets Rahul Nair back onto the strike with 5 balls to go. It's 13 runs to win the match. That will be called for another wide, a big wide with a capital W. അങ്ങനെ ആദ്യ പന്തിൽ 3 റൺസ് സ്വന്തമാക്കി. That one, what is it hanging? Oh, into the football forward. Yes, it is. That is sailing over mid-wicket. From the point blank, it's an attack from Rahul Nair. Under Pramir. Shot again. Oh, that is clean. That's clean. സർവാധിപത്യത്തിന് പോലും ക്രിക്കറ്റിൽ സ്ഥാനമില്ലെന്നൊരു ഹാർഷ് റിയാലിറ്റി പഠിപ്പിച്ച ആദ്യത്തെ മത്സരം ഇവിടെ അവസാനിക്കുമ്പോൾ